that you had, so
but
you'll
just
have.
disabled that pull station as well.
Yes.
That master button disabled that one.
Yes, this one button, no matter where the alarm comes from, it's
No matter
disabled.
what's
No, we
tied
can.
to that alarm system, it's killed. Just the phones, when I plugged the phone in downstairs, I was like, oh, that's not good.
Okay, so this is what the inside of our pull station looks like. It has, remember I mentioned at first, there's smoke detectors and their modules. Well, this is a module. This is what we call a mini module.
Come on in if y'all are coming.
Little bitty, it's behind, something to this effect is behind every pull station or in a box next to every water flow switch that y'all go to. This is the interface between the set of dry contacts, mechanical contacts that are on the device and the data to the panel. It sees a set of contacts close, which is this switch right here. Oh shit.
Happens to the best.
Not so much, huh, boss?
Okay, yeah. I was real close to saying, try that one over there.
So this one doesn't get shut off.
It does not. That is correct. So,
It's that in case of emergencies part, huh?
excuse me just a
Now we're
second.
gonna try out